Thank you for clicking our video. You can also shop over 4,000 more cars and trucks online at edmartin.com.
Take a ride in the 2017 Silverado 3500 HD. Pros, everything. Cons, nothing. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, CD player, rear window defroster. Come see the car for yourself.
Nine convenient locations, 12 top-selling brands, and over 4,000 new and used cars and trucks online at edmartin.com. Ed Martin is the only name you need to know.